Laziest way to make money online without investment. A lot of people have lost money through investment, trying to invest in different platforms, try to trade cryptocurrency, trade forex, play bets, do survey, do freelancing job, do a lot of stuff online, but at the end they still don't get paid. They still don't make any money out of it. What if I tell you that there is a simple means through which you can stay at the comfort of your home and make money coolly without investment, no capital, no referral? All you need to do is to watch this video to the end and follow the simple steps I'm going to show you in this video. My name is Richard. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, like and comment on this video, and also share this video so that more people can watch it. Many people believe that there is no legit means of making money online. They see online as being scam. But I can tell you that there is 100% possibility of making money online without scamming anybody, without investment, without a referral, without even putting your own capital. All you need is have your phone or a laptop and have data on your phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you two simple means through which you can make money online without investment, without capital, without referring anyone. Please watch this video to the end, like and comment on this video. The first method we're going to talk about here is called digital marketing. I believe you have heard about digital marketing before. You have heard about affiliate marketing as well. But what I'm going to teach you here is quite different from what you have learned from other people. Because I'm teaching you from my own personal experience. This is what I have done over the years, and I've made a lot of money through this process. So follow this video, watch this video to the end, and listen attentively to what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to show you how you can get direct contact of a wholesaler, how you can get a direct contact of the supplier, and how you can get a direct contact of the manufacturer. This time around, we are doing directly from the company. We are not talking about going to a website, register, take a link, a referral link, and start sharing it. No, this time around, we are doing directly with the company. So from now, it's very easier for you to negotiate with the company, negotiate with the supplier or the wholesaler, how much he will be paying you as a commission per each product you sell. Also, I'm going to show you how to get a buyer. Not just a buyer, but a wholesale buyer. In digital marketing, the more sales you make, the more commission you get. So it is much better for you to work with wholesalers than to work with retailers. So the question now is, how do you start this digital marketing? To start digital marketing, the very first thing you need to do is to find a product to market. So you need to identify which product should you market, which product is moving in your area, which product do you think that when you market it, you will be able to find some buyers. So that's the very first thing you need to do, identify the type of product you want to market. Then the next thing to do is to find a supplier, a manufacturer, or a dealer of that product that you want to market. How do you find a supplier or a dealer of that product? You can find that person through your location. Look for a company, a store, anyone around your location that deals on this particular product. You can also search for it online. You can go to online, mostly Facebook or other social medias, and you will be able to find someone, a company, a supplier, a dealer, or someone who deals on this product that you want to market. So when you find someone like that, the next thing you need to do is that you have to meet them and tell them that oh, you are a sourcing agent or you are a broker that you want to market their products. So when they accept to have you as a marketer of their product, then they will give you their price list, which will contain the price of their product. And the next one is that you have to negotiate how much they will be paying you as commission. There's two ways to earn commission through in marketing. Number one is that a company or a supplier can pay you commission for any product you sell. Another option is that the person can give you his price list and you add some money on top of the price. For instance, if the price of a t-shirt is $100, and you can say, oh, you can tell your buyer that I'm selling this t-shirt for $105. I'm selling it for $110 or $120. The money you added on it will be your money. What the company takes is $100. But this is something you have to negotiate with the supplier, with the seller. So that is how to find a supplier. Then the next thing you need to do is that now we have gotten a seller, have gotten a supplier of that particular product that you want to market. The next thing to do is to look for buyer. How do you look for buyer? You can go to your social media, mostly Facebook for instance. You can use Facebook, you can use TikTok. Copy the names of those products you want to sell, take pictures and videos. Go to a group that deals with that particular product. Let me give you for example, if you are working on agricultural commodities like maize, wood, soya beans, cashew nuts, and a lot of other products, go to Facebook, search and type the name of that particular product. For instance, let's say you are working on soya beans. Go to Facebook, type soya beans. You will see a lot of group that has 5,000 members, 10,000, 20 members. Join their group. Those in that group, they're only talking about soya beans. So when you join those group, then you can post that you are selling soya beans. When you post that you are selling soya beans, you post, maybe you can add their price, you may not add their price, but you have to add your contact number, like your WhatsApp number, so that people can reach out to you and ask you, how much are you selling it, where is it, its location, how can I get it, what is the payment terms. So when you post it on those groups, you will see that because people who are in those groups are only interested in soya beans, maybe people who want to buy and people who also want to sell. So when you post in those groups, definitely you will get customers who want to buy your soya beans. And people are going to get there are wholesale buyers and not retail. They will reach out to you, they want to buy. And when they reach out to you, you then refer them to your supplier or the company. After you have negotiated, you have to follow it up and make sure that whenever the person buys or the company buys from your supplier, then the supplier is going to give you your commission. So this is the very first way to make money at home without investment, without putting in a capital or refining or doing another way. Just sit at your home, take a product, market it in your social media account, get buyers, and then direct those buyers to the supplier. After you have sold, after the supplier have sold to the buyer, you will get your commission without any story. Then the next one we're going to talk about, which is another easiest way to do and get money online, is called content creation. In this content creation, I'm not talking about coming to the camera to make content. Some people don't have that courage to come and stand on the camera and talk. Some people don't even know what to say. Some people are too shy that they cannot stand before the camera. Some people don't know the type of content to start creating. But also some people don't even have time to do that. But there's other ways through which you can make money in social media by content. How do you do that? How you can do that is that you can recreate another person's video. You can download video from TikTok, download video from YouTube, download video from Facebook, re-edit it and upload it again. When you upload it, it becomes a new fresh product, or new fresh content, original on its own. So by so doing it, just download from TikTok, download from other media, Instagram, just edit it, add one or two things to it, and you upload it. It becomes your content. And Facebook will pay you for it, YouTube will also pay you for it. So if you have watched up to this level, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video so that YouTube can also share this video for more people.